NEC Section 300.5d requires conductors installed in raceways to be classified for at least the maximum voltage of the circuit. NEC Section 600.31c requires conductors for lighting fixtures to be rated for at least 90 degrees Celsius. UL Standard 969 Conduit and Fittings requires conductors installed in conduit to be rated for the voltage of the circuit. CSA Standard C22.1 Conduit and Fittings has similar requirements. The City of Chicago Electrical Code incorporates the NEC and other industry standards by reference, including the above-mentioned requirements. There are several reasons for requiring 600-volt THHN wiring. Firstly, safety. 600-volt wiring is designed to handle higher voltages than standard 300-volt wiring, reducing the risk of overheating and electrical fires. Secondly, code compliance. The NEC and local codes require the use of 600-volt wiring in raceways and lighting fixtures. Thirdly, insurance. Insurance companies may require the use of 600-volt wiring to meet underwriting guidelines. Fourthly, consistency. Maintaining a consistent voltage rating for wiring throughout the furniture ensures that all components are compatible and meet safety standards. Fifthly, future-proofing. By using 600-volt wiring, the furniture is ready for potential future upgrades or changes in voltage requirements. Furniture manufacturers may argue that lower voltage wiring is sufficient because the voltage in modular furniture is typically limited. However, this argument does not negate the NEC and code requirements which prioritize safety and compliance. Based on the aforementioned NEC requirements, UL/CSA standards, and the City of Chicago Electrical Code, it is necessary to install 600-volt THHN wiring and conduit within modular furniture. This ensures compliance with industry standards, reduces safety risks, and meets insurance requirements.